So today we are going to solve this question that involve square root, radical, algebra, and exponent. So we are asked to solve for x, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when you have question involving exponent is to make sure that the base are all equal. So here we have root 11. So the square root of any number is that number raised to the power half. So this will give us 11 to the power half. Then our square root, we have 22 minus root 2x should be equals to. Next, we have 121, which is the same as 11 times 11, which is 11 square. So this will be equals to 11 square. So we can now see that the base are all equal, so they can cancel up. So we are going to equate their exponent to be equal. So we are going to have half square root of 22 minus root 2x equals to 2 because both base cancel up. Okay, the next thing to do is to make sure that we have here 1 times this, so 1 times any numbers remains the same divided by 2, so this can be written as 1 times 22 minus root 2x over this 2 over 2, because when we multiply times 1 it remains the same divided by this 2, should be equals to 2. So the next we have a fraction, so we can cross multiply to eliminate this fraction. So if we cross multiply we have 22 minus root 2x should be equals, so if we multiply 2 times 2 will give us 4. Next, let's make sure that we eliminate the square root. So we square both sides if we want to eliminate the square root. So this square and the square root will cancel up, so we'll be left with 22 minus 2x equals to 4 square will give us 16. Next, we want to make sure that we bring the like terms together. So we have 16. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus. So we are going to have 22 minus 16 should be equals to. Here we have minus root 2x. When it crosses, it becomes plus. You're going to have root 2x. So if we simplify this, we are going to have 22 minus 16 will give us 6. Square root of 2x. Next, we square both sides. Since we want to eliminate this square root, the square and the square will cancel up. We'll be left with 6 square will give us 36, because it's 6 times 6 should be equals to 2x. So we can flip this. 2x will be equals to 36. This implies x will be equals to 36 divided by 2, which is 18. Okay, so we can now check our answer to make sure that it's correct. X is 18. So if we bring 18 here, we are going to have 2 times 18, which is 36. The square root of 36 is 6. So we'll have 22 minus 6. 22 minus 6 is the same as 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. So it means all of these will give us 4. So if we have root 11 to the power 4 should be equals to 121. Let's check it. 2 and 4 is a multiple of 2 times 2, so we can bring out 2 here. We can bring in 2. So we can bring in 2 here and another 2, so that when we multiply it's still the same. Exponent loss, so 2 and 2 we cancel up. We'll be left with 11 squared, which is 121. Thanks for watching. To support, subscribe.